Hey tubers, well, where do we start? What I've got for you today is I was given a free chainsaw. I don't know how much of this is coming out because it's so bright I can't see anything, but it is a Poulan, however you want to say it, 220, 260. Let's open the box. It's a 260 Pro 42cc. Now, I don't know anything about this saw, okay? I was just given it at the mailbox. The guy told me he's just tired of it. He'll use it one time, put it away, it doesn't run, send it to the shop, they get it running, use it, and then after he uses it one time, puts it away, it won't work. Now, the box case was full of oil. I don't know if that's leaking out of... Yeah, that oil would probably be from the bar lubrication system, because it runs on 2-stroke. So there's no oil to change. Okay, so really that's all I know about it. And it'll be one step at a time to even see if this thing will run. So let me put the case to the side here. I don't need it. It'll be a good place to catch parts. Well, listen, let me just take a minute here. I did already wipe off some of the real heavy crud. This book was soaked in oil. Same with these tags. I don't necessarily need it spotless. I mean, it's a damn chainsaw. But I at least want it clean enough that I can try to work on it. Without being totally gunked out. Man, I gotta tell you, the chain on this thing looks brand new. Now I hear something rattling around inside. Primer bulb is working without being cracked, but I just got this feeling that the fuel filter is broke off inside. They say these caps are hard to get off, and boy are they right. By they I mean internet videos. I'm so good now I even keep a flashlight. Alright, let me take this off camera a minute and catch the fuel and assess the situation. I have it investigated, and when I open it up and look in here, I got no fuel filter. So, as you can see, that's my first problem, and the fuel lines are actually broken. So, the primer bulb is good, but the fuel lines are broken. Okay. So, they'll tell you you need a T25 to take this apart, and you probably would be advised to have one. But it appears to be slotted for a screwdriver. So that's my weapon of choice here. Okay, well, let's get to it then. I finally figured out my sockets, and I have tons of ratchets. And I just had an adapter right here. This is what happens when you give away all your good tools. Eight mil. Yep. I don't know. Wow, that does not feel right at all. Okay. The nut is tight, but this whole thing, even with the nuts tight, it's still wobbling all over the place. I don't think it should be like that. I do not think this should be all flopping around. That's my best guess. Let me get the camera in here closer so I can make sure when it comes time to put this together, I know what I'm doing.